Hi viewers, welcome to KVR Maths Academy. In this video, let's discuss fourth problem in exercise 6.1 in progressions of 10th class mathematics. Right? So before going to the topic, viewers, please subscribe my YouTube channel, those who are not subscribed yet. Thank you. Yes, let's do the sum. Yeah. See, fourth question, which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write three more terms. Say which of the following are APs. Then if they form an AP, find the common difference D and write three more terms. Here totally 13 problems has given in fourth one. So in this 13, which of the following are AP we should find. So if the series are formed an AP, then we have to find another three more terms. Four terms only given, another three more terms we have to find. Yes, let us do. So first I have written two problems only. After that, one by one I will explain. Right? Yes, first one. 2, 4, 8, 16. Solution 2, 4, 8, 16 has given, right? So on. Here, first term A is equal to how much? 2. Right? Second term A2. Actually A1 or A both are same only na? A2 is equal to 4. And the third term A3 is equal to 8. Right? So let us find common difference. Common difference D is equal to here first A2 minus A1 say A2 minus A1 is equal to 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2 has come here difference. Next suppose A3 minus A2, A3 is 8 minus A2 is 4, 8 minus 4 is 4. Here A3 minus A2 is not equal to A2 minus A1 law. A3 minus A2 is not equal to A2 minus A1. That's why the given series is not in AP. Here A3 minus A2 is not equal to A2 minus A1. Therefore, given series is not in AP. Understood clearly? Yes. Now coming to the next one. Yeah. See first term A or A1 is equal to 2. Second term A2 is equal to 5 by 2. And the third term A3 is equal to 3. Let us find common difference. Common difference D is equal to first A3 minus A2 do. A3 minus A2, 3 minus 5 by 2. This is 3, 2 3s are 6, 6 minus 5, 1 by 2 has come, right? Again another step I am writing, 2 3s are 6 minus 5 by 2. This is 1 by 2. Next A2 minus A1 also do. A2 is 5 by 2 minus 2. This is 5 minus 2 2s are 4 by 2. That is equal to 5 minus 4 is 1 by 2. So here common difference D is same. Common difference has come same only na 1 by 2. So given series is in AP, right? Here D is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore given series, because D is equal to 1 by 2, A3 minus A2 is equal to A2 minus A1. So given series is in AP. Now we have to find another three terms now. This is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. Fifth term A5 is equal to A plus 4D only na. So A means A is 2 plus 4 into D is 1 by 2. 2 2s are 4. So 2 plus 2 is 4. So fifth term is 4. Next, sixth term. Sixth term, a6 is equal to a plus 5d, right? So a means 2 plus 5 into 1 by 2. So this is 5 by 2 only, na? 2 2s are 4 plus 5, 9 by 2. This is 9 by 2, right? Next, seventh term also. Seventh term, a7 is equal to a plus 6d, that is 2 plus 6 into 1 by 2. 2 3s are 2 plus 3, 5. Therefore, the remaining 3 terms are 4, 9 by 2, 5. Therefore, the remaining, another 3 terms are 4, 9 by 2, 5. So, have you understood about this? Yes, note it down. Next, third question. Minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2, minus 7.2. Write solution. See, minus here, first term, a1 is equal to minus 1.2. a1 or a both are same only, na? Yeah. Next, second term, a2 is equal to minus 3.2. Next, third term, a3 is equal to minus 5.2, right? Yeah. Let us find common difference. So, let us find first a3 minus a2. a3 minus a2 is equal to minus 5.2 minus 3.2. This is minus 5.2 plus 3.2. This is equal to how much? 5.2 minus 3.2? 2 only. So, here minus only, na? So, minus 2. Right? Yeah. Next, a2 minus a1. a2 minus 3.2 minus half minus 1.2. That is equal to minus 3.2 plus 1.2. That is equal to minus 2. Right? Yeah. a3 minus a2 is equal to minus 2 has come. a2 minus a1 is equal to minus 2 has come. Here, a3 minus a2 is equal to a2 minus a1. So, common difference is same in both. Right? So, that is equal to D. So, that is equal to D has come equally, na? So, therefore, given series is any AP. AP only, na? So, next 3 terms we have to find. Next 3 terms only, na? Yes. A5. A1, A2, A3, A4 only, na? A5 is equal to A plus 4D. A plus 4D, A means here minus 1.2 plus 4 into D minus 2. That is equal to minus 1.2 minus 8. How much? Minus 1.2 minus 8 minus 9.2. Minus 9.2. That is A5. A6 is equal to A plus 5D. That is equal to minus 1.2 plus 5 into minus 2, that is equal to minus 1.2 minus 10 minus 11.2. Next, a7 also we should find a plus 6d, that is equal to minus 1.2 plus 6 into minus 2, that is minus 1.2 minus 12, that is equal to minus 13.2. Therefore, next 3 terms are, what are these? Minus 9.2, minus 11.2 and minus 13.2. Is it clear? Yes. Coming to the fourth one. Minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2 has given series like this. Yes. Solution. See, first term, a1 is equal to minus 10. Next, second term, a2 is equal to minus 6. Next, third term, a3 is equal to minus 2. Right, let us find a3 minus a2. a3 minus a2 is equal to how much? a3 minus a2, minus 2 minus half minus 6. That is minus 2 plus 6, that is equal to 4. Minus 2 plus 6 only, minus 4 only, na? Yeah. Next, a2 minus a1. a2 is how much? Minus 6 minus 10. That is your minus 6 plus 10. That is equal to 4. Therefore, here A3 minus A2 is equal to A2 minus A1. That is equal to 4. This is D only now. D is equal to 4 has come. Now, given series, therefore, given series is in AP, right? In AP now, next what we have to find? Next 3 terms we should find only now? Yes, next 3 terms. So A1, A2, A3, A4 has come. A5 is equal to A plus 4D. A means A is minus 10 plus 4 into D4. That is equal to minus 10 plus 4 4s are 16. The minus 10 plus 16 is 6. So A5 is 6, fifth term. Next sixth term, A6 equal to A plus 5D. A plus 5D. So minus 10 plus 5 into 4. That is your minus 10 plus 20. 5 4s are 20. That is equal to 10 plus 10. Next A7 is equal to A plus 6D. That is minus 10 plus 6 into 4. That is minus 10 plus 6 4s are 24. That is 40. Yes. See, next 3 terms are A5 is 6, A6 is 10 and A7 is 40. Right? Therefore, next 3 terms are 6, 10 and 40. Have you understood clearly? Yes, note it down. Next, fifth question. 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2 and so on. Right? Yes, solution. See, first term A1 or A is equal to 3. Next, second term A2 is equal to 3 plus root 2. And third term A3 is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2, right? Yes, sir. Let us check common difference is same or not. First A3 minus A2 do. A3 is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 plus root 2, right? 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 plus root 2. That is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 2. See here, plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled. 2 root 2 minus root 2. 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2. That is, yes, 1 root 2 only. Isn't it? Yes, in the same way, A2 minus A1 do. A2 is 3 plus root 2 minus A1 is 3. Plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled. The remaining answer is root 2. So here A3 minus A2 is equal to root 2 and A2 minus A1 is also equal to root 2. So both are same only, na? So common difference is same. How much? Root 2. So given series is in AP, right? Yes. Here A3 minus A2 is equal to A2 minus A1 is equal to root 2. That is D. So common difference same. Therefore, given series is in AP. Right. So here given series is in AP na. Next 3 times we should find na. Yes, 4 times he has given A1, A2, A3, A4. Next A5, A6, A7 we should find. A5 is equal to A plus 4D only na. A plus 4D, that is equal to A is 3 plus 4 into D means root 2. So 4 root 2. So fifth term is A3 plus 4 root 2. Next A6 is equal to A plus 5D, that is 3 plus 5 root 2. Right, next in the same way A7 is equal to A plus 6D, that is 3 plus 6 root 2. Right, the next 3 times are 3 plus 4 root 2, 3 plus 5 root 2 and 3 plus 6 root 2. Therefore, next 3 terms in given AP are is 3 plus 4 root 2, 3 plus 5 root 2 and 3 plus 6 root 2. Understood clearly? Yes. Coming to the fifth one. This is 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.2222 has come. has given, right? Yes, let us find here solution. First term, write down. First term a1 is equal to 0.2, right? Next second term a2 is equal to 0.22. Next third term a3 is equal to 0.222, right? Let us find a2 minus a1 and a3 minus a2. Yeah, a3 minus a2c. a3 minus a2 0.222 minus 0.22. So how much this is? 0.222 minus 0.22. If you put 0 here, the answer will be 0.002, right? That is equal to 0.002 has come. Next, in the same way, a2 minus a1 is equal to 0.22 minus 0.2. So if you put 0 here, 22 minus 20 is 2 only, na? Yes, that is 0.02. 0.02. So these both are equal? Not equal. So given series is not in AP. Understood clearly? Yes. Here a3 minus a2 is not equal to a2 minus a1. So given series is not in AP. Have you understood clearly? Yes, note it down. Next, seventh one, 0 minus 4 minus 8 minus 12 and so on, right? Solution, write down. Here first term a1 is equal to 0. Second term a2 is equal to minus 4. Next third term a3 is equal to minus 8 has given, right? Yes. Let us find a3 minus a2 and a2 minus a1. So a3 minus a2 is equal to minus 8 minus half minus 4. That is equal to minus 8 plus 4. This is minus 4 only, no? Minus 8 minus into minus plus 4 minus 4. Next a2 minus a1. a2 is minus 4 minus a1 is 0. Minus 4 minus 0 minus 4. See, a3 minus a2 is minus 4 and a2 minus a1 is equal to minus 4. Right. Here a3 minus a2 is equal to a2 minus a1 is equal to minus 4. This is D only, na? Yes, common difference is same. So that's why the given series is in AP. Therefore, given series is in AP. Right. Now it is in AP, na? We have to find next three terms. A1, A2, A3, A4. So A5. Let us find A5 is equal to A plus 4D. A is 0 plus 4 into D is minus 4. That is equal to 0, 0 minus 4 4 is 16. 0 minus 16 is minus 16. Next, in the same way, A6 is equal to A plus 5D. 0 plus 5 into minus 4. That is 0 minus 20. That is equal to minus 20. Isn't it? Next, A7 is equal to A plus 6D. That is 0 plus 6 into minus 4. That is 0 minus 6 4s are 24. That is minus 24. So the next three terms in the given series is minus 16, minus 20, minus 24. That is all right. Therefore, next three terms in the given AP are minus 16, minus 20 and minus 24. Have you understood clearly? Yes. Coming to the eighth one. Yes. Here minus 2, minus half, minus half, minus half, minus of all terms are minus halves only. Yes. See, first term A1 is equal to minus half. Second term A2 is equal to minus half. And third term A3 is equal to minus half. Right? Yes. A3 minus A2 is equal to minus half minus minus half. 0 only na? Yes. Next a4 minus a3 minus half minus minus half, that is also equal to 0. So here a3 minus a2 is equal to a4 minus a3. a3 minus a2, actually this is a2 minus a1, because all the terms are equal now, that's why I have taken like that, right? Yeah. So a3 minus a2 is equal to a2 minus a1, that is equal to 0, that is D. So common difference is same for all terms, right? That's why given series is in AP. Therefore given series is in AP. Here actually common difference 0 only, no? So next term also, next terms are also same terms will occur, right? Therefore the next three terms in AP are minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. Why? Because common difference is same, no? That's why no need to do a plus 4d, a plus 5d, a plus 6d like that. Understood? Actually here if all in the series all the terms are same means that is in exactly AP. That is exactly AP. That's why no need to find another terms. Same terms will occur. Understood clearly? Yes, note it down. Next, 9th question. 1, 3, 9, 27 and so on has given. Right, solution. First term, right? First term a1 is equal to 1. Next second term a2 is equal to 3, and third term a3 is equal to 9, right? Yeah. So let us find a3 minus a2. a3 minus a2 is equal to 9 minus 3, that is 6, right? Next a2 minus a1, that is 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2. Here a3 minus a2 is equal to 6 and a2 minus a1 is equal to 2. So both are not equal, no? So a3 minus a2 is not equal to a2 minus a1. That's why the given series is not in AP. Right? Write down. Here a3 minus a2 is not equal to a2 minus a1. Therefore given series is not in AP. Is it clear? Yes. Next, coming to the 10th one. Yeah. See first term a1 is equal to a. Next second term a2 is equal to 2a. Next third term a3 is equal to 3a, right? Yeah. Let us find a3 minus a2 and a2 minus a1. Yeah, a3 minus a2 is equal to 3a minus 2a, that is 3a minus 2a is yes, a. Next a2 minus a1, that is 2a minus a, 2a minus 1a, that is also a. So both are equal, no? a3 minus a2 and a2 minus a1, that is equal to a. Common difference is same, no? Yeah. Here a3 minus a2 is equal to a2 minus a1, that is equal to a. So this is common difference D, right? Therefore given series is in AP. Here AP, no? So next three terms we have to find, right? Yes. Next a1, a2, a3, a4, a5 we should find a plus 4d, that is equal to a plus 4 into d means a only, na? 4a, a plus 4a, 5a. Next a6 is equal to a plus 5d. So a plus 5 into a, that is equal to 6a. a7 is equal to a plus 6d. a plus 6d means a only, that is 7a. Right. Next three terms are 5a, 6a and 7a. Therefore next three terms in the given AP APR 5A, 6A and 7A. Have you understood clearly? Yes, note it down. Next, already 10 sums have completed in this fourth problem. So the remaining 3 problems, right? Yes, 11th one. A square, A cube, A4 and so on has given the series is. Let us find. Yes, first term A1 is equal to small a. Second term A2 is equal to A square. Next, third term A3 is equal to A cube, right? Yes, let us find A3 minus A2 and A2 minus A1. Yeah, A3 minus A2 is equal to, this is A cube minus A square. This is A cube, this is cube term and this is square term, right? Next, A2 minus A1 is equal to A square minus A. This is square term, this is power as 1 term, right? So these both are not equal. A3, this is A cube minus A square, this is A square minus A. So these both are not equal. So given series is not in AP. Here A3 minus A2 is not equal to A2 minus A1. Therefore given series is not in AP. So not in AP, no, that's why we no need to find other 3 terms. Yes, coming to the 12th one. Yes, root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32. Yes, first term A1 is equal to root 2. Second term A2 is equal to root 8. And third term A3 is equal to root 18 has come. Right? Yeah. Here, let us find first A3 minus A2 and A2 minus A1. A3 minus A2 is equal to root 18 minus root 8. So root 18, how can you write? 9 2s are 18. Root 9 is 3. So that's why this is 3 root 2. Minus root 8 is 4 2s are 8. Root 4 means 2. That's why this is 2 root 2. 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 is root 2. Isn't it? Next is in the same way A2 minus A1. Yes, this is root 8 minus root 2. Root 8 means 2 root 2 minus this is root 2. 2 root 2 minus root 2 is? Yes, root 2 only. See, these both are equal. A3 minus A2 is equal to A2 minus A1. So given series is in AP. Here A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2, that is equal to root 2. This is D only now. Yes. Therefore, given series is in AP. So we have to find another 3 terms. A1, A2, A3, A4. A5 we should find. A5 is equal to A plus 4D only now. So this is A means root 2 plus 4 D, 4 root 2. D means root 2 only na. Root 2 plus 4 root 2 is 5 root 2. Right? 5 root 2. Next A6. A6 is equal to A plus 5D. Root 2 plus 5 root 2. That is equal to 6 root 2. Next A7 is equal to A plus 6D. Root 2 plus 6 root 2. That is equal to 7 root 2. Therefore, the next 3 terms in given AP are 5 root 2, 6 root 2 and 7 root 2. Understood clearly? Yes, coming to the final one in the fourth question. Yes, root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12 and so on. Yes, first term A1 is equal to root 3. Next second term A2 is equal to root 6. Isn't it? Next third term A3 is equal to root 9. Yes, let us find a3 minus a2, that is equal to a3 is root 9 minus root 6. Root 9 is 3 minus root 6. So keep like that. 3 minus root 6. Next a2 minus a1, that is a2 root 6 minus root 3. Root 6 minus root 3. So these both are not equal. Na? a3 minus a2 is not equal to a2 minus a1. That's why this given series is not in AP. Here a3 minus a2 is not equal to a2 minus a1. Therefore given series is not in AP. Have you understood clearly? Yes, note it down. Okay viewers, if you like my video, please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.